Hi, this is Mark with Onyx Auto Sales. Hey, I was just, everybody's been asking about this truck, and so we're going to throw it on our website, www.onyxautosales.net. And it's a nice snowy day today. We figured we'd come out, probably look cooler out in the snow. Let me explain to you what this truck is, and then we go from there. So this is a 1995 Ford F-150 Off-road package. We didn't make very many of those. It also has the 351 Ford motor in it, which in the half-ton there wasn't many of those made. So let me explain what we did. We repainted the truck a leadfoot gray color. We left the original grille on. The bumpers are new. We took the old bumper out of the back and put a different bumper on, and then this is the original steel bumper. We did do new headlights and tail lights on there. We do have, so if you come around here, if you look, we've got brand new tires, rims, and lift on there. Well, one great thing is this is not just a body lift, it's a suspension lift, which is a whole big difference and so it helps it drive way better and smoother. So we had to machine out these the wheels here to actually get the locking hub for the four-wheel drive to work properly. So if you come around here, original F-150 XLT Off-road sticker or trim here. We also have dual tanks, which both of them work perfectly. We don't have any problems with switching them over. The fuel pumps are good. Everything's good. Since I've had the truck, we put straight premium in the truck to make it work a little bit better. We also did an armor lining to the truck as well. So if you can look at the armor lining, there was no rust. We actually, underneath there with the rust, we actually took off the bed of the truck and we actually undercoated, got some of the rust off there and undercoated with a rust-proof undercoating. So as you can tell, we've really kind of gone through the truck and made sure everything was good here. As you can see underneath there, we've done a lot of great things to the truck to make sure it's right, so you're not having issues. Another thing that we did, as you can see, we have the Onyx Auto Sales logo on the back. Instead of the stationary window we had in the back, we put a slider back there so that you can open it up. Maybe if you needed a little bit more air or whatever inside the truck, the cab of the truck. If you come around here, we just left the bumper. This is just a fiberglass bumper. This is the original tailgate and original tailgate trim on the vehicle. Obviously, we put new tail lights in there on top of the two front headlights. I do have a third brake light that I just haven't installed it yet. As you can see, we have a tipped exhaust here. We did do a whole new flowmaster, single exhaust flowmaster that goes into the 351. Gives it a little bit more power, a little bit more takeoff at the stop signs and everything like that, so it's not sluggish. A lot of times that 351 was a little sluggish off the top, and that was just because of the exhaust system in 1995. These ones are power mirrors. They're original power mirrors that come with it. Original doors, everything. If you look inside here, let me turn down the music a little bit. So what we did is all the power windows and power locks and power mirrors all work perfectly. We did, as you can see, we did tint the windows. Shout out to Solar Tint, actually. They actually did all our windows and the rear windows, so if you need anything for them, you can go and have them do windshields and tint and everything like that. Also with the lift, Dependable Tire in Logan actually put the suspension lift. They did an incredible job. If you need lifts, tires, anything like that, go to Dependable Tire. As you can see, we did new door panels on here. Part of the reason why I did that, it wasn't that they were cracked or anything. It was the fact they were just a little faded. I mean, 1995, that was years ago. But they were original. They weren't messed up. So you can see original seats, original lumbar. All the lumbar stuff functions properly. Original seats. It's a bench seat. but that also comes down. Original carpets. This comes down so you can actually have drink holder, whatever you need. We also put in brand new stereo, Pioneer stereo system in there. It's got a subwoofer. You can actually connect your phone to it, Bluetooth. But yeah, so pretty much the interior is all original other than the door panels and an overlay on the dash. So that's great. Again, you can go see this. We're going to have it posted today on Carfax and also our Facebook page at www.onyxautosales.net if you want to go there. Also, the truck has the 129 original miles on the car as well. So if you have any questions or anything, you can call us. Our phone number is 435-213-9221. And so Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.